So here we are going to perform an experiment on the density, comparing the density of the three liquids. I am taken honey, water. So here is the honey. So oil, and I am taken water. So first we have to add some amount of honey in the test tube. So I am taken test tube for performing this experiment. So first we have to add honey to it. Later for the second layer we must add water. Last layer is the oil. So first you can observe here the density of the honey is more. So it is in the downside. So compared to the density of honey, the water density is less. So it is in the middle layer. So then I am added oil. So the density is lesser than compared to honey and water. So it is in the third layer. So from this we can conclude that honey is having high density, and next water, and next oil. So to perform another experiment, we are taken three materials. So I am taken iron nails, and iron nails in this bottle. I am taken one iron nail, and this is a dry grapes, and last one is thermocol balls. So we must identify what is the density of these three objects. So first one I am added iron nails. You can observe the iron nails here. So it is settled at the bottom because it is having high density. But later I am added dry grapes. But initially we will not get the result. After some time the dry grapes will bulge. It will increase in size and it will go in the middle region. Later we are added thermocol balls. So it is very less density. You can observe it is in the first layer. It will not go downside. So from this experiment we can conclude that it is an experiential learning which we are going to compare the density. This is an experiential learning. If you are explaining the concept of density, they will not easily understood. When we go through this type of hands-on activity experiment, they will easily learn. So these are the materials we are taken. From this experiment, we can conclude that comparison between the three liquids. Dhanyavad.